Hey guys, T here. Today I want to try out this cheap diamond hone I bought from Harbor Freight. It's got 4 sides to it. It goes from 200 grit to 600 grit. And what we're going to do is we're going to dull up this nice old leather knife, and then we're going to try to sharpen it, see what happens. And then we're going to take this beautiful old D.R. Barton chisel, and much as I hate to say it, we're going to dull this boy up too. And then we're going to see how the Harbor Freight diamond hone works. So please subscribe if you will, hit the bell for a notification. Let's start sharpening. Here's the stones that I use right now. We got a nice oil stone over here. It's got 2 sides to it, a rough and a smooth. We got a kind of volunteer stone here. I don't know what that is or exactly where I got it, but I got a couple of those. Another volunteer that I haven't leveled out yet. Here's a cheap carborundum stone. This has got 2 sides to it as well. And then 2 expensive diamond stones. And they're great. Another diamond stone that's a rough one. Here's 2 inexpensive diamond stones, much like what we're going to test today. And these are for gouges. These 2 for sharpening gouges. Here's a piece of leather strop that I've put on a piece of wood. I charge it with honing compound. And then this little jig here for small gouges. So that's what I got for stones. Let's try the cheap one. Okay, let's see what we got. So we got a 200 here, 300, 400, 600, and we got this plastic holder. So we'll start everything on the 200, and we'll go from there. So let's dull it up on this sort of volunteer stone we've got here. Boy, I hate to do this. Anyway, here we go. Didn't that just kill you to do this? Okay, that's dulled up pretty good. Let's do the same thing here with this beautiful Barton chisel. Okay, we'll start with a 200, and I like to use a little water on this guy just to clear away some of the filings. So let's start. Boy. Hold it about 15 degrees. not bad for 12 bucks, I'll tell you that. This thing feels sharp. Okay, so far I like it. Let's try the chisel. And see if we can't be a little more stable than we were before. Oh yeah, this is much better. See the filings that are caught in the holes here. Let's go to 6. I don't know if it's cutting or just tearing through. I don't know, that look pretty good. So this is soft pine. Let's try our big Barton chisel. So for 12 bucks, I like it. Even at 600 though, I couldn't get it to shave a piece of paper real well, or I tried the hair on my arm and it wouldn't cut that. Maybe 1 or 2 hairs, but not a lot. So I'm not so sure that the designation of 2, 3, 4, and 6 is correct. But again, you spend 12 bucks. You can make it work. I don't care what the numbers are. So looks okay to me. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Hit the bell to get notification of my next video. I'll see you soon.